Today I'm going to show you how to make a terrifying Venom mask using this cardboard box. We are Venom. So if you are new to this channel, I'm Raphael, and here I do tutorial videos where I show you how to make amazing props from your favorite movies and TV shows using only templates and cardboard. Also, don't forget to check out the description box below as you'll find there all tools and products that I use in this tutorial. Now let's dive right in. First thing first, you need to grab those templates. Head over to my shop, link is down below in the description. Don't wait, make it happen. Now glue those templates onto your cardboard and get cutting. You've got two options here, box cutter or precision knife. Me, I'm all about that precision knife. It's sleek, easy to handle and gives you those sharp clean cuts we all crave. You're going to repeat this for all the pieces, but don't stress out, we are not talking about a ton of pieces here, so stay cool. Alright, let's jump right in and cut out piece number 1. After you've got it cut, it's time to smash those corrugations with your fingers, close up the notches with some glue. I'm using hot glue here because it dries like a champ, but whatever glue you've got handy that works with cardboard, go for it. Moving on, you're gonna do the exact same thing for pieces 2 and 3. Once you've got those 3 pieces ready, glue them together at the edges just like this. Clean, right? Now cut out piece number 4, close up the notch, give it a nice curve and glue it underneath. Piece number 5, glue it at an angle right along this edge here. Alright, next up you'll cut pieces 6, 7 and 8, same deal, smash those corrugations with your fingers to make them flexible and glue them together at the edges. Then glue the whole piece onto this edge right here. Using the reversed template, make the opposite side in the exact same way and then glue both sides together along the middle edges. Now quick tip, if you're feeling like you need a bit more breathing room for your nose and mouth, just trim a little off the middle section here. Super easy adjustment. Moving on to the thief, pour some hot glue onto your cutting mat or a surface where the glue won't stick. You want these about 3 cm long. Let them dry, then pop them off with a knife or something similar. Flip those bad boys over and pour another layer on the flight side. This is going to give them that wonder thicker look we're going for. Now grab the precision knife and shape them into teeth. Be precise, be patient, this is detail work. Use the reference pictures and glue the teeth into the top part of the mouth. Easy peasy. For the bottom teeth, same process, but you're going to make them shorter and wider, then glue them into the bottom part of the mouth. Let's handle those eye holes. To prevent them from standing out, take a black marker and darken the entire area of the mask. Then cover the eyes with layers of white mosquito net. A little glue along the edges will do the trick to keep it stuck to the mask. For me, 5 layers were perfect to get that balance between aesthetics and visibility, but it may vary depending on your net. Grab those reference picks again and carefully draw the contours of the eyes with your marker. Now, as a bonus step, to smooth everything out and hide those cardboard imperfections, we are applying some filler. You can mix your own, 2 parts baby powder or cornstarch, 1 part white glue, 1 part acrylic paint, and add water until you get the right consistency. Or make life easier and grab one from Amazon like this Liquitex one that I'll link in the description box below. Apply it to the whole mask but steer clear of the inside of the mouth and the eyes. Use a brush and don't be shy to add a little bit of water to help with the application. Once it's dry, go heavier around the eyes and nose. Let it semi-dry and shape it with your fingers and brush to get that classic Venom look. And of course use those reference pictures to get it spot on. To create this gap, add some modeling paste here and here to build up the thickness and don't forget to repeat it on the opposite side. Once everything's dry, grab some sandpaper and smooth it down. A little water on the sandpaper will make this process a breeze. Now at this stage you can decide if you want to paint your mask. In this tutorial I'm going to use paper because I really like the cardboard look. But if you prefer painting, I suggest checking out my Bocaton helmet tutorial. I've linked it here somewhere in the card or in the description box below. In that video I show you how to paint this type of mask using basic acrylic paints. Times to mix 2 parts water with 1 part white glue. Rip up some brown paper, Amazon packaging paper works great. Dip it in the mix, scrunch it up and cover the entire mask. For the edges of the eyes, use clay tools, a dull knife or something similar to apply the paper neatly. Inside the mouth, apply crumbled paper to give it texture and detail. We are aiming for that authentic look. Now cut 2 pieces number 9, glue them on top of each other, and then cut pieces 10 to 13. Glue this to the back of piece 9 at the top middle flush with the edge. Give those pieces a curve, this is going to be Venom's tongue. Same as the mask, cover the tongue with modeling paste and add a little groove down the center for detail. For contrast, I'm covering the tongue with grey paper. Add a little something special, right? Then glue that tongue right inside the mouth. Perfection! And then add some paper strips into the side gaps. This gives it that holding everything together vibe we're after. And finally hit it with 2 coats of glossy varnish to give it that sleek, shiny finish that lasts for years. And there you have it, an impressive Venom mask made out of cardboard. Now if you want to make more masks and props out of cardboard, click on this video right here, Google thinks you'll like it. Don't forget to subscribe if you are not already, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on my next epic cardboard tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you in the next one. Take care.